Right, what's good, boys and girls? It's me, Kasin Koral, and this video is not about the backpack in front of this. It is instead this package. Oh yeah, let's get the backpack out the way. There you go. So, yep, this is the Crunchyroll goodie box. What is it, the Ultimate Fan goodie box? Gotta be part of the Ultimate Fan subscription for, I think, a year before it becomes free to you. Before that, I don't know if you have access to it or if you have to pay for it. But I saw that this is a thing, I decided to get it, and yeah, here it is. Nothing on the sides, but on the top is the shipping label, so I'm not going to show that. So yeah, plain orange box, and yeah, there's these tabs here. Guess we're opening it now. Right. Oh, okay. I'll see how I'll open this. Alright. Took off the edges, as you see. But it still doesn't open, so I don't know, I guess we'll do a knife thing. Damn. There you go, it's cut. This is definitely not the best strap, but whatever. Oh, there you go. Wow. Let's see how empty it is. This side's still closed. Alright. Wow. Tanjiro plushie. Tanjiro plushie. Top light, I guess. Coaster? What is this? Sticker. Or stickers. Looks like there's a fair amount in them. Maybe like 5? We'll see later. Honestly, no idea what this is. Oh, playing cards, okay. Like for poker or blackjack. Blackjack's the better game. 100 sheets. I'm guessing some type of notepad. Pretty cool, I guess. Cool bag. Well, that's something. I might actually use that. And a lanyard. Might actually use this as well. Nice. And there's also this. Thank you. Let me see if there's anything on the back. Yes. No one from private information, so this is fine to show. Congratulations on maximizing your fandom. Enjoy your new power status with some anime goodness from Crunchyroll. Wow. Okay. I guess I'll open all of these up. Or at least some of them. I don't think I want to open that. Nor do I want to open the stickers. Or the cards. Just the plushie, the bag, and the lanyard. I'll open those. Alright, so here's the 3 items. Bag is pretty cool. Still have to do this. Untie it. I don't know if we can do it. There you go. Feels like a canvas bag. So, I don't know if this is worth it. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, it's something. Right, plushie. You go there. Epic. And lanyard. Well, it's a lanyard, I'll tell you that. With, damn, I forgot the name of them. I don't know if it's the same guy or they're all different, but I'm just gonna call you Sabito. Sabito, whatever. That's something. Man. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna show off the cards or the stickers or the notepads. I'm pretty sure the notepads is the same thing every time. The stickers I don't really care about, but the cards, I think I'll check it out. Assemble the tripod. There you go. Actually, no, let's put it here because of the light. Okay. That's what I get for raw dogging this shit, dude. Oh. They're not even rounded. Or at least rounded like I thought they were gonna be. Well, they're rounded corners, but like I said, not as rounded as other playing cards. Joker, Ace, 2, 3. Damn, I forgot his name, but I like that guy. Boom. I kind of like this Upper Moon. He was cool. This one just died to sunlight, but he had to stall for that one, so I guess he's a cool man too. Homeboy's the Joker as well. Or no. Joker or Jack? I don't remember. Anyways, Queen. King. And then Ace. And then all over again. Though it's different pictures at least, so that's something. I don't remember this. I think that's Nezuko conquering the sunlight, right? Just before that. Same. There you go. This is epic. I like this one. Homeboy when he drank some Oni blood. Or demon blood, I should say. Oh, it's the same cards, okay. Alright. Well, that's nice. I think this is a different Joker card, though. Alright. Yeah, it is a different Joker card. Right. That is it for the box. So cards, stickers, notepads, epic plushie. Ah, that's the cards again. Lanyard. Very cool, very cool. And a bag. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So, yeah, that's what you get for $15 a year. And if you stay with them for a year, that's what you get, like I said. Is it worth it? Fuck no. It is not worth it. But I got it anyways, at least it's free, so there you go. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that unboxing, that lazy ass unboxing, I know, but it is what it is. Don't know what I'm gonna do next. We'll see. I'll probably upload the Lexus dealership video. Not many interesting cars, but there are some. You'll see. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.